By any chance, do you have 2 ripe bananas laying around at home? If yes, then I definitely recommend making these banana oat fitness cookies with them. They're super easy to make, only 2 ingredients for the base recipe. I've used some more here, some raisins, walnuts, sesame seeds and cinnamon. They turn out really beautiful, sort of like banana bread, just cookie style. Make them in 25 minutes, vegan, absolutely delicious. Here's how to make the recipe. Let's go. Alright, so all you need is 2 bananas. They should be ripe and well spotted, like these ones as you can see. Throw them in here and give them a good mash. Okay, that looks good. As you see, I just used a fork here and that really works nice. Now the second ingredient is 1 cup of rolled oats. So it's 2 ingredients for the cookies. You just have to mash it properly here now, and now it could go onto the baking tray already. I'm gonna add a couple of more ingredients just to make them a bit more exciting and have fun with it, alright? So let's add a small handful of walnuts crumbled, a small handful of raisins, roughly a tablespoon of sesame seeds, and last but not least a teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a good mash and then it's ready to be put onto the baking tray. I just use a spoon and make them 12 little cookie dough sized cookies here on the baking tray. To me they don't have to be really beautiful, but when they taste awesome, that's definitely beneficial. And again, I would say 12 is really the magic number. Empty and number 12 goes on here. Alright. So now what we could do is we could make them look a bit more beautiful with some raisins on top or some walnuts sprinkled over it, maybe a bit of coconut flakes. In my case, I'm very happy with how they look here. They go into the oven now for roughly 15 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. Alright, see you then. 15 minutes exactly are over and I can deliver results. So the cookies are done and they look beautiful. Let's get them off the parchment and here we go. Banana oat fitness cookies. Ah, beautiful, really. Turned out really well, nothing too dark or anything burned. 15 minutes is a great time. Alright then, so that's banana oat fitness cookies done. Enjoy! I really recommend taking them on a hiking trip or anything similar where you are outside and need an energy boost. That's really where they come in very handy. Also, I'd love to know if you have some food fave that is really your favorite when you are outside and you need an energy boost. Can be store-bought or can be self-made. What's the food you take with you when you're out and about? Also, if you have those 2 bananas roaming around at home, try out the recipe. Let me know in the comments how they turned out. And I don't want to forget again, we have a newsletter sign up just below here in this video. We have it focused either on a weight loss meal plan that you can download with the newsletter sign up, a high protein meal plan that you can get, or just sign up for our regular newsletter. All links are just below. And then of course, again, one more time, see you in the next video. Bye.